welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I may look the same as I do in another video that I start because I am filming multiple videos in a day, so I hope you don't mind, but hi. Hey, I am a makeup artist, a book lover, and an earring hoarder, and today's video is going to be all about my earring collection. So I got this comment on one of my videos saying that I should do an earring collection, and I thought that that was a wonderful idea, so that is why I'm doing it. Now, I have a ton of earrings, like a ton, way too many. So I was going to break this down and show you each individual brand, but I'm going to just go by how I have it currently set up because I'm just really bad at organization. So I am going to start with the clear acrylic containers and then move on to the rounder because the rounder has some of my more favorites, and I'm going to save the favorites for last. But before I jump into all that, I do want to share where I buy my earrings from because I buy from just a handful of places and I absolutely love each brand. So there are about 5 main people that I buy from. They are all woman-owned brands and I am just obsessed with their designs. So first one I want to talk about is OK Craft Studios. That is ran by my friend Nora. She hand makes all of her jewelry and she does some other crafty stuff. She sells her stuff on Etsy, and she also has a monthly subscription through Patreon where if you sign up for whatever tier you want, you'll get a different box of jewelry each month, and she is gracious enough to send me those for free. I promote that on my TikTok to help her gain hopefully some more followers, but I will have everybody's links down below. But that is OK Craft Studios. Other one is Lovecraft Crypt. That is ran by another friend, Devlin. She is insanely talented with her cosplays and she does really cute alternative jewelry, and I am obsessed. And I do have a code with Lovecraft Crypt. It is just Ash with 3 H's, but all my discount codes are listed down below. The next one is Fallen Pine Studios. I am in love with their earrings. I don't know how I found them, but I did, and I've been obsessed ever since. I get the most compliments on my Fallen Pine Studio earrings because they are just so much fun. And then the other 2 brands I don't have that much of, and I haven't really made a purchase from them recently, but I do enjoy them. One being Darling Limited. They are a Canadian brand. She makes very cute stuff. She just recently reopened her shop and everything. She had something going on, but her site is back up and running. And then the other one is Spooky Doodle Club, which you may have heard about. I actually learned about Spooky Doodle Club through Batty Bean. She always posted her jewelry details and I fell in love with some of their designs, so I picked those up. But that is majority of where my earrings are from, and the rest may be from like, you know, like a TJ Maxx, a Marshalls, or I was gifted some, and some of them I may not know where I got them, but I've held on to them, so it is what it is. I have no idea how well this is gonna work, but let's just get started with this one. Just gonna focus on this side right here. I have a handful of earrings from, I believe this was Shop Sun & Co. I don't know if they're still a thing, but I have little droppers, a moon, little moon, snakes, angels, I think that's a lotus flower, and then daggers. I don't wear these as often, that's why they're in this container. But moving on to the next section at the top. So these ones are trick-or-treat earrings that I actually got as a gift from my old manager. She gifted these to me because she thought I would really like them, and I do. They are a stud back. I do have stretched ears, so I typically go for anything that is a hook or a loop. I can't really wear studs, but this has a big enough backing that I can. And she also gifted me these ones, which are like a blood flame. They did come broken. I was able to glue them back together, but it is what it is. These little flower ones, I have no idea where I got them from, but I have them. Same with these stars. These actually might be Shop Sun & Co. I don't remember. And then I just have a pair of bats down here, which I believe I got maybe at like Target or Walmart. And then these last 2 panels are basically all of my Christmas earrings. So I have these small little ones here. I don't remember where I got these from. These ones were from TJ Maxx, and I think these ones were from TJ Maxx also. This candy cane and this snowflake is from OK Craft Studios. They were part of her subscription box. And then these glitter candy canes, I don't remember where those are from. The adorable gingerbread, those are Betsy Johnson. I love Betsy Johnson earrings. And then the little lights down here, I believe that this was Shop Sun & Co. I love these at Christmas time. I absolutely love them. And I even did a look where I put them in my hair. and they work great. And in this next section, I have these little snowflake dangles. These are so cute, but they get tangled in my hair, so I can only wear them when I wear my hair up. These little bow ones are Betsy Johnson. I love those. And then these are little heart ones that are just super cute. They're like heart peppermints. I have ornaments, and I dropped one of the Christmas tree ones, which I'll pick up in a minute. These ones, I'm not sure where they came from, but they are so cute. I love these ones. And some of my favorites are these wreath ones. They have bells, so they are pretty loud. They are a little bit too heavy on me, but I enjoy them. And then I have little snow globes down here, which aren't anything really special. I think I got these at, I want to say Walmart. But that is everything, and kind of like my more holiday slash ones I don't wear all that often. This one has some of my like Halloween ones, and just some special ones that don't really fit anywhere else, and just a few others that I just don't wear. So these little pumpkin ones are from OK Craft Studios, and same with this pair. This is, I think, Tiger's Eye beads or stones or something. Those both are from OK Craft Studios. Then I have two bats. I believe that these were both at Target. And I have these candy corn earrings. These are from OK Craft Studios. The vampire teeth with the red and black beads, those are Lovecraft Crypt. And then I have these. These are polymer clay, so they are a little bit fragile, but these are from OK Craft Studios, and I absolutely love them. Up top here, these are Beetlejuice earrings that I got at Hot Topic. And then I just have a couple dingly ones. I'm not sure where these ones are from, the moon and stars. But the teeth, I believe, are from Lovecraft Crypt. And then the little skeletons are OK Craft Studios. And then I have these little just geometric earrings. They're really cute. And these citrine ones, I got those, I believe, at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. Then on this section, the angels are from Lovecraft Crypt. Those are from OK Craft Studios. And same with the RIP Gravestone earrings. These are from OK Craft Studios. The little Day of the Dead earrings, these just fell. This is not the best storage for earrings, FYI. I don't recommend it if you find it on Amazon. But the Day of the Dead earrings were another gift from my manager. These little cat pumpkin earrings are so adorable, and those are from OK Craft Studios. But it has like a half face and then a hand. I forget the name of these, but they are from Lovecraft Crypt. The bat coffin is from Darling Limited. These bat earrings are Lovecraft Crypt. These super discolored earrings are my wedding earrings. And then these last two, I believe, are Shop Sun & Co. Just a little chain and little stars. And then in this last section, this is pumpkin earrings. I believe this one is OK Craft Studios. And then this one is candy corn with a little cat on a broomstick. It is so cute. And then right below it, the little cloud one. And then this one right next to it that has little cats on the bottom. So cute. Those are from OK Craft Studios. This pair here is a devil and angel. This is Lovecraft Crypt. And then I have my little anime earrings. These ones are Hisoka from Hunter x Hunter. And then the earrings that Tanjiro wears in Demon Slayer. I got these from, I want to say Hot Topic. The black cat earrings here are from OK Craft Studios. These little earrings, they are a Native American design. I have held on to these since I was like 8 years old, and I went to Tennessee for the first time. We were down by Reelfoot Lake, and there was a little stand that had like jewelry like this, and I picked this up. They were only a couple bucks, and I've held on to them ever since. I don't wear them anymore, but I have them just for a memory of being in Tennessee. But that is everything here, and I keep losing earrings. They keep going off. Side note, if anybody has any suggestions on really great earring storage for like crazy dangly ones and just like heavy ones and oddly shaped ones, like please let me know, because I'm not liking what I have so far except for the little carousel that I have. And then the last section I have is this little carousel that I found on Amazon. I am going to take this apart and do layer by layer because that's going to be the easiest to show you. But my husband's coming home with lunch, so I will have to take a pause in filming this. I'll be right back. You won't even know any time passed. I am back. This is the bottom tier of my little carousel. So I have so many beautiful earrings. I'm going to start where I have a gap and work my way around. These ones are from Darling Limited. They are just zombie RIP gravestones, and these really cute heart ones that say murder are also from Darling Limited. The disco balls are from OK Craft Studios. This one somehow got tangled, but this one is also from OK Craft Studios, and it just says Bad Witch with a little witch hat. So cute. I'm not going to be able to show these very well because they're kind of hard to get off. These next ones are just a hoop that says Lucky with a little 4-leaf clover, and then followed by one of my favorite earrings, even though they're really heavy, they are little snake ones. Those two are from Betsy Johnson. This one is from Darling Limited. The little ghost teary ones is from Spooky Doodle Club. The little geometric crystals are from Darling Limited, along with these little tongue ones. One of my absolute favorite pair of earrings is this little voodoo doll one. This one is from Spooky Doodle Club. I get so many compliments every time I wear these. The zombie brains are also from Darling Limited. I want to say these cat ghosts are from Spooky Doodle Club. Triangle Eye, I'm pretty sure there's a different name for that. That is Darling Limited, along with these little eyeball ones. Little conversation heart earrings, they say Be Mine. These are from OK Craft Studios. Same with this pair. This has a little cupid with a little gem drop. These were in her February box this year, and these are little Halloween candies. They are so cute. That's also from OK Craft Studios. And these last two pairs here are from Betsy Johnson. It's a little bit of a pride one with the rainbow and lightning bolt. And then I have these really fun gummy bear earrings. Love these. But that is the bottom layer, and I have gaps in a lot of these because I was making room for when I buy new earrings. The next tier doesn't have that many on here. A lot of these are from Lovecraft Crypt. The little iridescent heart ones that say Eat Glass. This is from Fallen Pine Studio. These adorable little blue and white ghosts. These are from Spooky Doodle Club. And the zombie hearts are from Darling Limited. And then the rest of the metalwork is from Lovecraft Crypt, like I said. So there's a little blood coffin and guillotine. I actually have the matching necklace for this. Little tooth earrings. These are hoops with razor blades. Flaming heart with black beads. These remind me of like a chandelier. They're so pretty. And these are hearts with a little bat in the middle. And these ones are a moon with some spikes. I love these. This next tier is one of my fullest tiers. Mainly OK Craft Studios with a handful of others thrown in. So starting here with the sun. These are one of my favorite pairs of earrings. This is from OK Craft Studios. Same with this little hoop one. So adorable. It has little stones. Little pink clay and star and moon. Love those. I don't remember off the top of my head what these are called. They are a Mexican pastry, but these are just really cute ones that she did. And then a really cute pink rainbow. Love that. This one is just like a rough circle with a moon. This one has a little Pegasus. So cute. One of my favorite pair of earrings. It's a barbed wire heart and a circle, and it jangles when you wear them. This one has a little heart with Cupid in it, and this one is a little bat. And those were all OK Craft Studios. The little witch hands are Darling Limited. The asymmetrical spider earrings are from Lovecraft Crypt. These really cute cat earrings are from Darling Limited. These are such pretty tulip flowers. These are from OK Craft Studios, along with these little weird eye ones. I think the rest I'm going to show is also OK Craft Studios, Crescent Moon and Full Moon. She did some mushroom ones. These are adorable. I love these. This little frog pair though is so cute. I think they're so adorable. And these little snail ones are so adorable also. And then the last three pairs are all mushroom earrings. They are so adorable. I love them. They are slightly like fragile. I'm so terrified of breaking them, but they're sturdy enough. And I have dropped these on like a hard floor and they didn't break, so like I'm happy with that. But like they are so adorable. I love these. This next tier is going to be a mix of some newer earrings and ones that I just really enjoy. So I'm going to start here. So these ones are a cascading bookcase. I got these from Fallen Pine Studio, along with one of my absolute favorite pairs that say Silly Goose Juice. Iridescent heart that says Smut Book Energy. These ghost face earrings are ones that I wear pretty much all the time. These are from OK Craft Studios, along with these silver eyes. Love those. And she also did this really cute rainbow beaded with a little cloud at the bottom. And these ones are fun. These are from Lovecraft Crypt. They're just really simple dangle ones. Gonna jump around real quick. These ones are the Party Possum ones. These are from Fallen Pine Studio. I love these. I get so many compliments when I wear those. And then the rest on here are newer to me. I just recently bought them from Fallen Pine Studio. So these ones I get the most compliments on. This says Caution Banana Floor. I love these. The dumpster fire ones are a close second to what people compliment me on. And I have these adorable frog ones and these really fun, cool dragon ones. And then I'm currently wearing the stained glass with ghosts. And here is the other. And then the top layer is going to be all the earrings that are my most used ones. And I keep them up top because they're easier for me to grab. These blood bag ones are from Darling Limited. The daggers are from Lovecraft Crypt, this Ghost with Ghost Stories book, and the heart that says Gloomy. These are from Spooky Doodle Club. I have another iridescent heart that says Live Laugh Toaster Bath. This is from Fallen Pine Studio, along with one of my absolute favorite pairs, Can't Draw My Demons. They have pool noodle thingies. And then these haunted ones are from Spooky Doodle Club. This little flower with a little smiley face, this is from OK Craft Studios, and these are so cute. These ones are from Fallen Pine Studios. They say have the day you deserve. These are perfect for if you work in retail. These ones are from Lovecraft Crypt. I wear these pretty much constantly. This flower one is from OK Craft Studios. The next few are from Lovecraft Crypt, so you get the little spikes, more spikes, a little chain with spikes, a wrap thing with a dagger, and those are all Lovecraft Crypt. And I have these ones that say Bite Me from Darling Limited, one of my absolute favorites. And this one is the final one. This is from Fallen Pine Studios. This is the Cthulhu. It's like Cthulhu, but with a cat. I love these. But this is my spinny tower of earrings that is very precariously re-put back together. But that is all of my earrings. Okay, I am hopping back in. I ditched the hat because I stopped filming because I thought I was done, but the mail just ran and I got a package from Nora. This is her monthly subscription box for OK Craft Studios, and I'm going to show you what I got. This is going to be live. I have no idea what the theme is. I am so excited. I always get so excited when this package arrives because I truly do love her earrings. I love what she does, and I'm so happy for her. The monthly subscription is the OK Clay Club May Adventure Box. It has dragon hoops and hobbit hole dangles. So they are sent in these little red bags. She changes up her packaging. Sometimes they're sent in this, sometimes they're not. Sometimes they are put on cards. Which one are first? Oh, no way. These are so cute. These are the hobbit hole dangles. These are so cute. These are so cute. I am obsessed. And these are the little dragon earrings. Are you kidding me? Like, look at how cute. They are pink and so pretty, so delicate. I love them. They are so pretty. Look at them. Oh, I love dragons. I have been obsessed with dragons for like the longest time, and Fourth Wing just caused me to fall in love with them all over again, and I absolutely love these. These are so cute. So I just wanted to do a quick video showing you these because I love getting these boxes, and I'm so grateful that she takes the time to send them to me. I hope that I can help her, you know, gain some recognition, and that people enjoy what she has and that they buy from her and support her also. But like, thank you so much. I just wanted to hop in real quick to show you that. So back to what I was saying before. Alright, so that is my entire earring collection. I know it's a ton. Some of the footage may not be the best, and it might be a little annoying with how like loud earrings are, but I just don't have the capability to film this and take off each piece individually and still have cute nails. But hopefully you find something that you like, and I will have all the shops that I mentioned listed down below with any discount codes that I have. I believe the only one I have though is for Lovecraft Crypt, but I will also link Nora's Patreon so you can subscribe to that if you want for her monthly subscription. I love earrings. Most of my necklaces are Lovecraft Crypt that you'll see me wear. I don't really buy a ton of necklaces. I'm more like earrings because earrings are so fun. But if you like any earrings specifically, please let me know which one it is or which shop it was from, or which one like fits your vibe the most, because I think in the future I would love to do like a jewelry giveaway with some of my favorite brands. I think that would be so fun to do, just to like share the love and everything, because I am obsessed with all my earrings. This video is going on way too long for what it is. I want to say a big thank you to this person that I can't remember the name off the top of my head. I am so sorry. But big thank you to you for giving me this video idea, because this was actually really fun to go through. And I think that's everything. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want more book content, I am Ashley with 2 H's .reads on TikTok and Instagram. But thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!